Helo a croeso i Amser Stori Tonya heddiw. I ddechrau, diolch yn fawr iawn am hala'r holl lluniau o bobl yn gwylio neu negeseuon hyfryd. Dwi wrth fy modd yn clywed wrthoch chi. Diolch yn fawr. Gobeithio bod chi gyd yn iawn heddiw. Stori heddiw yw Mae Mali Eisiau Mwy gan Joseph Theobald a mae'r addasiad gan Sioned Lleunau. Mae Mali eisiau mwy. Roedd y David ar y ddôl wrth ei bodd yn chwarae gyda'i gilydd drwy'r dydd. Ond oedd Mali ddim yn hapus o gwbl. Beth sy'n bod? Holodd Modlen. Fedra i ddim redig mor gyflym na neidio mor uchel ar David eraill, cwynodd Mali. Rwy'n rhy fach. Dwi ddim yn deg. Ond rwy ti'n berffaith fel yr wyt ti, meddai Modlen. Ond roedd Mali eisiau bod ychydig bach yn fwy. Felly, pan oedd y David eraill wedi gorffen bwyta, dyma Mali yn bwyta mwy. Wrth i Mali fwyta mwy, tyfodd yn fwy ac yn fwy, a chymbo hir gallai redig yn gynt a neidio'n uwch o lawer na David eraill. Ond wrth iddi dyfu'n fwy a fwy, oedd hi eisiau bwyta mwy a mwy, nes i bod hi'n methu stopio. Paid a bwyta'r goedwig, brefodd y David eraill. Rwy ti'n tyfu'n rhy fawr, llefodd Modlen. Ond oedd Mali'n mwynhau bod yn fawr. Dim ond ychydig bach mwy, meddai. A dyma hi'n bwyta'i ffordd drwy'r goedwig mewn chwynciad. Dyna ddigon, gweiddodd Modlen. Ond roedd Mali'n rhy brysur i wrando. Dyma hi'n bwyta'r mynyddoedd ac yfed y llynnoedd. Ond roedd Mali eisiau mwy. Wedyn, dyma hi'n llyncu gwlad gyfan heb ddim trafferth. Ond oedd Mali dal eisiau ychydig bach mwy. Felly, dyma hi'n neidio i'r lleiad ac yn bwyta'r byd. Dyna pryd stopiodd Mali. Roedd hi nawr ar ei phen ei hun. Roedd hi'n hyreithi am y goedwig a'r ddôl a'r David eraill, ac yn deheu yn fwy na dim am gwmni Modlen. Dechreuodd timlo'n sâl iawn, yn sydyn. Chwidodd Mali. Chwidodd y byd a'i bethau I gyd. Nad oedd popeth yn union fel yr oeddent o'r blaen, teimlai Mali'n well o lawer. Rwy ti'n berffaith fel yr wyt ti, sybrydodd Modlen. Rwy'n ddigon hapus fel yr ydw I hefyd, meddai Mali. Y diwedd. Cwestiynau. Rhif 1. Beth yw enw ffrind Mali? Rhif 2. Beth sy'n digwydd pan mae Mali yn bwyta mwy? Rhif 3. Beth mae Mali yn teimlo ar ôl bwyta'r byd cyfan? Rhif 4. Beth mae Mali yn neud I teimlo'n well? A rhif 5, beth mae Modlen yn gweud wrth Mali ar y diwedd i wneud hi teimlo'n well? Odych chi yn gallu creu llun i fi o Modlen a Mali? Hwyl am heddiw! Ta-ra! Hello and welcome to Story Time with Tonya. I'd like to thank you all for all the lovely messages and pictures of you enjoying the stories. Today's story is called Mali Wants More. Mali Wants More by Joseph Theobald. The sheep in the meadow loved to play together all day long. But Mali was feeling rather gloomy. "What's the matter?" asked Modlen. "I can't run as fast or jump as high as the other sheep," grumbled Mali. "I'm too small. It's not fair." "But I like you just as you are," said Modlen. But Mali wanted to be just a little bigger. So when the other sheep had finished eating, Mali ate more. As Mali ate more, she grew bigger and bigger, and soon she could run faster and jump much higher than the other sheep. But as she grew bigger and bigger, she wanted more and more, until she could not stop. "Don't eat the forest," called the other sheep. "You're getting too big," cried Modlen. But Mali loved being bigger. "Just a little bit more," she said. And she munched up the forest in a matter of minutes. "That's enough," shouted Modlen. But Mali was too busy to listen. She gobbled up mountains and drank whole lakes. But Mali still wanted more. Then she swallowed an entire country in one big gulp. But Mali still wanted just a little bit more. So she jumped onto the moon and ate the world. But then Mali stopped. She was all alone. She missed the trees and the meadow and the other sheep. But most of all, she missed Modlen. And this made her feel very, very ill. Then, all of a sudden, Mali was sick. Out came the world and everything in it. Although things weren't quite the same as they were before, Mali felt much better. "I like you just the way you are," whispered Modlen. "I like me just the way I am too," said Mali. The end. Some questions. Number 1. What is Mali's friend called? Number 2. What happens when Mali eats more? Number 3. What does Mali feel when she eats the whole world? Number 4. What does she do to feel better? Number 5. What does Modlen say to Mali at the end to make her feel better? Could you draw me a picture of Modlen and Mali? That's it for today. See you again tomorrow. Bye.